Good morning. On the way down to the shop to check out a new project I got working on it. It's a 70 Camaro, putting a wire harness in it. So it's been fun to try to make sure I got everything in the harness that the guy needs. It's got an active MSD, no fuel injection though. So pretty simple install. But stay tuned and check out a new project in the shop. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new project that I got in the shop. It's a 1970.5 Camaro. It's got the VIN number that says Z28, and it's kind of a resto. Looks kind of stock, but 350's warmed up a little bit. One of my friends, he asked me if I'd put the wiring harness in it for him and get it running. Then he'd take the detail work and do that, take it home and work on it. This car's been around a long time. Probably, I know the person that first started the project, and that was probably over 20 years ago. The car's been blown apart, painted, motor's been rebuilt, new transmission, new rear end. It's been through, I think it's on the second owner now after it started the restoration. So maybe we'll get it running in a couple weeks, and this guy can take it home and finish it up and start enjoying it. Let's take a look at it. Like I said, it's a 1970.5, and the VIN number says Z28, and it is a split bumper. This car has been totally blown apart. Looks like it might have some new quarters on it, some other repair panels. It's got a 350, I believe. I'm still trying to find the guy that built it to give me some information about it. I'm friends with him and just been trying to get in contact with him. It's got a Mulsanne blue and black stripes on it. My Camaro's this Mulsanne blue 2 times out of high school. The car's been through several paint jobs. But this is a pretty good restoration. Paint looks good on it. Stripes. Looks like it's got new glass in it. The trunk's been splatter painted. It's got all new lights. Interior. It's got new carpet. Seats aren't new, but they're in good shape. Probably, I think he said he might get those recovered. He's got the dash at home, so I'm installing the American Auto Wire wiring harness. Pretty cool harness. Everything's labeled. Just running everything, hooking it up, putting the ends on some of it, make it complete. Get his door panels put on too. I think he's going to order a new steering wheel, like a 3-spoke steering wheel. It's got the spoke wheels on it. They're pretty cool. Like I said, it's got a warmed over 350 in it. It's been on the dyno. A friend of mine, H.T. Davis, and I think he built the motor several years ago. So we get to hear it run hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Everything's been painted under the hood. It's going to have an MSD ignition. It's got a 1-wire alternator, Holley carburetor. I'll try to find out some specs of the engine. But the car looks great. Body's in great shape. So sometimes you buy somebody else's project cheaper, you can get a nice car for your money. Just finish it up. I've always liked these 70 split bumper cars. My dad had a 73 split bumper. But I'll take some videos of putting the wiring harness in, and maybe a video when we get it running. And so stay tuned. There'll be more updates on this 70.5 Camaro. I'll show you some progress on the 70 Camaro. Got the MSD mounted. Got a bunch of the wires run, putting a bunch of it in loom. We'll start cutting and crimping for starter wire, battery wires. Got a bunch of the main harness and loom run to the front. We have to hook up all the turn signals. Look inside. Inside the car, got the fuse box mounted. I'm trying to figure out which wires go where and get those bundled up, and getting wire loom on everything. Try to make it look neater. Should be able to get this tucked up hopefully in the next day or so. Steering column, I was looking, didn't have an ignition switch actually installed. I had it in the box. Got to looking, and the little cam was missing inside the steering column, so got taken apart, and there was several pieces missing in the top side there. So the owner is looking for some replacement parts so we can get the steering column put back together so we can operate the ignition switch. Everything's been detailed in the car. Yeah, so the owner, he's working on getting the parts. The engine's a 350. Talked to the guy that built it several years ago. It's probably been 10 years ago, but it's a 350, got aluminum heads. He said if he recalls right, it made almost 480 horsepower on the dyno, so it's been broke in. He told me, he said, take the valve cover off, make sure you don't see any rust, and take the distributor out and do a prime the oil pump, make sure everything's good before we crank it. So, hopefully with the wiring and some of the steering column parts, maybe next week we can start the car up. I know that guy that bought it, he's anxious to hear it run. So just taking my time, trying to make everything look neat, trying to get it all tucked up out of the way. It's a really nice car, so I'm looking forward to hearing it run. Let's see what it looks like under these valve covers. Like I said, this engine's been sitting for 10 years. That thing's clean. That's a good sign. Got roller rock arms. Things clean, no grind.